this video, I'm going to be talking about one of the channels that is included with the monthly subscription, and that is the high probability setups. In this channel, I post actual buy and sell prices for two markets, for the most part the YM and the Nasdaq, and I post them between 9:15 and 9:25, a few minutes before US session opens. These trades are designed to be scalps, at least at first, but very often they lead to very big moves. The first trade you're going to see is actually a live trade I recorded on Friday. After that, Monday through Thursday, I'll be using market replay just to show you how these signals played out. I will be using ADT breakout box to help me out. It is a strategy where once I put these prices on the chart, the bot is going to take the trade in full automation once price hits the line. For the sake of consistency, I'll be using a 40-tick stop and a 40-tick target. Once a particular market is in profit, I will disable the bot. So again, the first trade you're going to see is live, the other four are replay. Before we start, please do me a favor and hit the like button, it helps the video. So these are the signals for the YM and the Nasdaq. Then I use the breakout box, draw the buy line, the sell line. So this is on market touch. As soon as price touches these lines, there's going to be a trade generated. Both have 40-tick target and a 40-tick stop.
Order submitted. Target filled.
Okay, so the YM hits its target. Let me now disable it, so I can disable it right over here. The Nasdaq took a short as well, and it took a loss. Okay, we'll re-enable now the short side actually in the
Order
YM.
submitted. Target filled.
Okay, so the YM now hits two targets and the Nasdaq took a loss before.
Order submitted. Target filled.
Oh, that was quick. This is the account I used for these HPS trades. I am sometimes asked if I'm really using a prop from funded account. This is what I am using. So now I will be replaying price action starting on Monday, March 10th. So these were the signals on March 10th, again between 15 and 5 minutes before the session opens. That's when I post them. 40 ticks target, 40 ticks stop. I would say if you're positive in one market, you disable the breakout box. You can disable it right here. You can disable the short side. You can disable the long side. In the settings, you can actually make it disable itself once a trade triggers.
Order submitted.
I just like to keep it on, so the Nasdaq triggers first. If there is a loss, it will take the same trade again upon confirmation.
Target filled.
Okay, so Nasdaq hits its target. I will disable it now.
Order submitted.
Here goes the YM.
Target filled.
And target is filled on a YM. On Tuesday the 11th, these were the signals. Once again, I used the box to put the buy trigger, the sell trigger in both of these markets. So let's play it.
Order submitted. Target filled. Order submitted.
Okay, everything.
Order submitted.
Oops, wasn't fast enough. So now it took a loss. Let's just keep it going then. Since I took a loss, obviously in real time, I would disable it and keep the profit.
Order submitted.
But since I did not do that, let's see how it plays out now.
Order submitted. Target filled.
Okay, so target is filled.
Order submitted.
Again, I'm not fast enough. It's okay, let's let this play out.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Target filled. Target filled.
Okay, now I'll disable it. So obviously I made a mistake because I have it on 10 times the speed. In real time, you would disable it as soon as you hit the target on either market. Next we have Wednesday the 12th. These were the signals on Wednesday. So again, the strategy does have an option to disable the bot after a trade is taken in a given direction. I just choose to leave it on, and because I have it at 10 times the speed, I'm not fast enough to disable it before a trade triggers again. In real time, obviously, you would not have an issue with that, but
Order submitted.
let's see if I'm filled here. Nope. I thought that was a loss, right? Price came back, took me out, so I needed to be triggered again.
Order submitted. Target filled. Order submitted. Order submitted. Target filled.
Okay, let's disable. I'm still negative, so let's re-enable here.
Order submitted. Target filled.
Okay, so now I'm positive, but since we're under 200, I'm gonna keep it going, and the Nasdaq as well.
Target filled.
Nasdaq is done, and this is done as well now. So took a few losses on this day, but again, you see eventually this strategy does come through. Let's go to Thursday. Okay, on Thursday the 13th, these were the triggers for the YM and the Nasdaq.
Order submitted.
Okay, so
Target filled.
YM very quickly hits its target. Let me disable now. And let's see what the Nasdaq does. Came close, not quite. So it came close on the upside, on the downside.
Order submitted.
Here we go. Is it going to hit me?
Target filled.
That's it. Disable, disable, and done. Now, full disclosure, when I trade those, I do not use automation. I actually trade it manually, and I do try to hold for deeper targets. Thank you all. See you next time.